I'm Bob Chapman, technical instructor at the AkzoNobel Training Center in Chicago. And I want to tell you a little bit about what we do here at the training center. So we offer product training classes in Sikkens Autobase Plus as well as Sikkens Auto Wave, Lesonal SB, Lesonal WB, and Sikkens Autocoat BT LV 650 and UTEC. We also offer 100% digital classes and as well as some others. Now, during our product training classes, there's a mixture of classroom and actual spraying time. So we take an in-depth look at the products, how to use them, where they're used, and we actually go out and get quite a bit of spraying. They're typically 3-day classes. We also offer advanced classes for Sikkens and Lesonal customers, both in solvent and water-based. Now, during the advanced classes, we focus primarily on tri-coats, and tri-coats meaning some of the semi-transparent colors as well as some of today's more challenging colors. So I look forward to meeting you. Get signed up for a class today, and thank you for choosing AkzoNobel.